Hi guys, welcome to my vlog. For today's video, where we're gonna talk all about volcanoes. Before the video ends, we must identify the parts of a volcano, the form and shape of a volcano, and what type of eruption. And make sure you watch until the end of this video because we're gonna make an experiment. So, let's go. So now, this is my model of a parts of a volcano. It is made out of clay. So, let's go to its parts. First one is the bedrock. It is the underneath surface of the earth. Second one is the base. It is located in the top of the bedrock. Third one is the magma chamber. It was supposed to be in the bedrock, but I forget it, so it's okay. By the way, magma chamber is a large pool of liquid rock beneath the surface of the earth. 4 is the conduit or the pipe. It carries the magma from the magma chamber through the crater of the volcano. Fifth one is the throat. It is called the entrance of a volcano. It ejects lava and volcanic ash. Sixth one is the branch pipe. It is a vertical conduit below a volcano through which magma has passed. Seventh is the seal. It forms when lava hardens in the crack of the volcano. Eighth one is the vent. This is the vent. It's an opening exposed on Earth's surface where volcanic material is emitted. Ninth one is the crater. It's near the vent. Yes. Crater is a model of a volcano. It is formed through eruption. 10 is a parasitic cone, this one that looks like a small volcano. It is a smaller volcano on the side of a volcano. So it has also this lava flow. Layers of lava. This one, the darker one. Yes, this darker ones. Lava that hardens when volcano erupts. And next one is the layers of ash, the lighter one. Layers of ash was formed when volcano erupt and they layer on top of each other. And now, the lava flow. This is also a lava flow. This one? Yes, this one. Okay. It is a streams of molten rock that pour of ooze from an erupting vent. Take 2. This is the lava flow, and this one, yan. Yes, that one. It is a streams of molten rock that pour of ooze from an erupting vent. Next one is the flank. This is the outer part of the volcano. I haven't able to do a representative for an ash cloud, so I haven't able to do a representative for an ash cloud, so I will define it. It is a cloud of ash that is emitted by the volcano. Now that we're finished in the parts of a volcano, let's go to the forms and shapes of a volcano. First is the cinder cone. It is also called as scoria cones. It is the simplest type of volcano. It forms from the build-up of explosive eruptions. Next is the composite volcano, also called the stratovolcanoes. It is considered as the most violent. One of its examples is Mount Mayon. Next is the shield volcano. It is formed from the buildup of quiet eruptions through vents or fissures. It resembles a warrior's shield. Lastly, the lava dome. Known as a volcanic dome, and it has steeper sides than a shield volcano. The experiment I was referring to was we will make a model of a volcano eruption, and its type of eruption is Hawaiian eruption. But what is Hawaiian eruption? Hawaiian eruption are the calmest types of volcanic events. It is characterized by the effusive eruption of very fluid basalt-type lavas. It is named Hawaiian eruption because it is a characteristic of Hawaiian volcanoes. Now we're finished to define the Hawaiian eruption. Let's proceed to the making of the volcano. Hi guys! So now we're gonna make our volcanic model. We need illustration board, bottle, scissors, duct tape or any type of tape that you want, and of course the newspaper. We didn't buy this, so it is not expensive on this vlog. So let's start. So now, this is the form of our volcano. Now we cut the strips of a paper, then we're gonna attach it like this. Hi guys, now we're done making the volcanic model. So now, let's go to the experiment. Let's erupt it. Let's watch it erupt. Hi guys, so that's it. That's all of it. So thank you for watching my vlog. Please don't forget to hit the thumbs up button and don't forget to subscribe. Bye!